What's up, everybody? Jared here from Manatee Pressure Washer Supply and Repair. Got some shipments coming in, and I got some good friends. And oh yeah, Trudi, my favorite person in the world. I love you.
Love you too, man.
I don't know what to say in video recordings. This is why I do post-product stuff, but you're the bomb. I'm gonna put this in here so people can see it. But everybody always asks, like, where do I get my shit from? Do I get it from here or there? Why do I call Panhandle? They recommend over at Manatee. Why is Manatee telling people to go to Panhandle? It's because it's hard to get shit. We know it's difficult, and it's freaking awesome having partners, man.
Right?
I love you, Trudi.
And the contractor needs those parts to work.
That's it. That's what it's all about. So Trudy's my best bud, man. We got the shit going on. It's a blast. So we've had fun down here training today and just learning a little bit on how we can help more people just like you guys. So thank you for everything. And we appreciate you guys being customers of all of ours because it's one big family. So we love you guys. Big shout out. See ya.
Bye-bye.